lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to fix no module name numpy using Windows operating system. So if I open the command prompt, write Python, then you can see currently I'm using Python 3.12 and right now inside the Python console. So if I write there import numpy as enum, so you can see there is getting the problem no module name numpy kind of error. Okay, so this kind of issue that I'm facing, so let's fix that. So using Ctrl Z to exit, so here if I write pip, then you can see this all those things. Okay, that means pip already is there. Let's use cs command. Now installing the numpy, so pip install numpy, press enter. So collecting numpy and installing corrected numpy. So successfully install numpy this version. Okay. Now let's move inside the Python and writing this terms import numpy as enum. So this time you cannot see any error, no module font kind of error. This is not displaying there. So this is how we can fix no module name numpy inside command prompt using Windows operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.